Hey guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll share my own experience about Spocket. Is it worth using? We'll take a look at its features, pricing, pros, cons, is it right as for you? So make sure to watch this video till the very end. Also, I'll show the way of how to get best conditions to join Spocket program. So Spocket is a dropshipping platform that connects you with suppliers in the US and Europe. It means that you can offer your customers fast shipping times and high quality products. If we're going to talk about its features, we can definitely say that we have like product sources option. Spocket offers a wide range of products to choose from, like including home goods, apparel, accessories, and even more. So here we can find a lot of options like trending, bath and beauty, jewelry, toys, pets, accessories, men clothing, seasonal, and a lot of other categories. Also, we have like order fulfillment. Spocket handles all the order fulfillment for us, so we can focus on growing our business. It means that if we receive an order, everything will be done automatically and we don't have to stay for this. Also, we have the option to manage our inventory. So basically, like Spocket's inventory management system keeps us track of our stock levels. So we'll never have to worry about overselling or stock outs or something like this. And also we have like cool customer support here. They provide us the opportunity to use it like almost every time we want, so we can easily get some help with any questions or issues. So now let's take a look at prices, and here we can find that we have like 4 plans: Starter, Pro, Empire, and Unicorn. And if you're going to use early, we have like Pro, Empire, and Unicorn. And the prices for the Spocket on early plans is quite good, very cheap as for if you compare it to monthly. So you can find all the features they provide us the opportunity to use inside of this page here, and you'll be able to interact with it, which is really cool. Also, they have a lot of integrations like with Shopify, AliExpress, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Alibaba, Felix, Amazon, eBay, Wix, Square, Squarespace, and Ecwid. So you can discover all the things on the website. And let's talk about their pros. So basically, it's like really fast shipping items, high quality products, wide range of products to choose from, and it's really easy to use. And if you're going to talk about cons, basically it's more expensive than some other dropshipping platforms, but it's also really good. Fewer integrations than some other platforms, but as you can see, all main like stuff here was covered, so it's not the problem definitely. And Spocket is a good option for business that are looking for reliable and easy to use dropshipping platform. Spocket's fast shipping times and high quality products make it a great choice for businesses that want to offer their customers the best possible experience. However, like Spocket is more expensive with some than some other dropshipping platforms. If you are on a tight budget, you may want to consider a different platform. Additionally, Spocket offers fewer integrations than some other platforms. If you need a platform that integrates with a specific software or service, you may want to consider a different platform. And overall, Spocket is a great option for businesses that are looking for reliable and easy to use dropshipping platform. Like Spocket's fast shipping times and high quality products make it a great choice for businesses that want to offer their customers the best possible experience. And what can we sell at the end? If you want to get best conditions to join Spocket, I strongly recommend you to use my link in the description, so you'll get the best possible option to use Spocket. Firstly, you can get it for free, and then you can choose the necessary plan which is suitable as for you. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe. Goodbye.